But there's still a number of issues with Marquette's new recycling efforts. For instance, what's the difference between a rigid and a fiber, and when can they go out? TV6's Rebecca Himmelstein reports.
The Coyne family is on board with the Marquette City recycling effort. They separate their bottles from cardboard and even have the pickup schedule posted right above. But it hasn't been so easy for everyone.
It's had some real problems. Waste management has struggled with doing it. We're having meetings regularly to try to improve that, and we're going to monitor it more. And we have to educate the community as to how to do it.
Since May, the city of Marquette has been picking up recyclables in two streams. Fiber materials like paper and cardboard and rigid materials like plastic, metal, and glass are collected on alternating weeks. If the materials are put out on the wrong week, they won't be collected.
When we switched systems and started trying to keep everything locally, one of the issues you run into is separating those recyclables out, sorting them and marketing them properly on a small scale, on a Marquette County scale. The best alternative, the cheapest and cleanest way to do it is to have people separate them out before they put them on their curb.
Separating the materials costs money. Doing this beforehand allows the Recyclable Materials Center to process more material and keep them out of the landfill.
The more we can recycle and divert from the landfill, the more life we get out of the landfill. The more that we can pull out of that stream, the longer that landfill is going to be around.
Even though the new system has some kinks, those involved are positive the two-stream system will soon be second nature.
People just have to understand it's different, it's new. We need to communicate better what day you're going to put out what, and that we can do that. That'll work.
For more information on the effort and the pickup schedule, visit UpperMichiganSource.com. Rebecca Himmelstein, TV6 News, Marquette.